When your comfy temp heating pad stops working, power and connection issues are the most common culprits. Start by checking the most basic component, the power outlet. Next, carefully inspect your heating pad's cable and connectors. Look for any visible damage, such as frayed wires, exposed conductors, or loose connections that could prevent proper power flow. If your heating pad has a detachable controller, this connection point is often where problems occur. Unplug the controller completely, then reconnect it securely to ensure a proper electrical connection. A flashing F error is one of the most common issues with comfy temp heating pads. This error specifically indicates a loose connection between the control connector and the pad itself. Check your controller's indicator lights. No light usually means the pad isn't receiving power or the controller itself is faulty. For cordless models, weak or dead batteries are often the culprit. Finally, ensure your heating pad is laid completely flat. Many comfy temp models have built-in safety features that automatically disable the heating element if the pad is folded or bunched up to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. When power and connections are working properly, the next step is testing the controller functionality. Start by cycling through all available heat settings to determine if the pad responds to different temperature levels. If the controller responds, but the pad produces no heat at all, the heating element inside may be damaged or worn out. This is a common issue that typically requires pad replacement, as heating elements cannot be easily repaired. Comfy temp heating pads include important safety features. Most models have a 30-minute auto shut-off timer that automatically turns off the pad to prevent overheating and burns. Additionally, overheating protection will shut off the pad if it becomes too hot or is folded incorrectly. If problems persist after trying these troubleshooting steps, contact Comfy Temp customer support for professional assistance. They can help with repairs or warranty replacements if your heating pad is still covered. For technically skilled users, some heating pad issues can be resolved through advanced repair methods. This includes sensor bypass repairs using soldering techniques, but this should only be attempted by those with electronics experience and will void the warranty.